Hello everybody. This is Dr.D.Rajesh Babu, and today I brought a specific topic for the viewers, and it is very interesting for especially for social sciences research scholars and students, and also professors, and related to the areas of commerce and management in social sciences scholars and students research area. And I'm going to deal about the topic which is related to the business research methods and the specific subject. I have taken a specific topic which is related to the research process essential steps, or we can call as a flow chart of the research process. And this is a chart which is essentially important for the scholars and the researchers and the professors who want to pursue the research on any problem. To deal or any problem, it is very essential for the scenarios. And after reviewing so many of articles and literature and so many journals and textbooks, it's all the things, and it is identified so 7 essential steps which are required to not only to identify the problem and also to find a solution to the problem in the area. And the first one is define research problem. So the researchers has to define a research problem, and through proper literature analysis and after reviewing so many articles on the specific topic and area, domain area, so that they'll come to know what exactly gap is there, and they can select the problem, and they'll identify the problem, they can define the problem, and they can make a statement form of the problem, so they can able to formulate the problem properly with the things. And after the next step which is required for the review the literature, because so many people may be having a doubt that define a research problem itself we can able to review the literature. After identifying the problem also, after formulating the problem also, you can able to do more literature analysis, because literature review can do, because on the specific problem areas, and you can review conceptual articles and review articles and theoretical concepts and theories and so many things, so that you can able to find the review of findings of the relevant articles you can find out, and it is exactly will helpful to you, and how you how you can able to process the problem further in the next level. So that the third step is formulating the hypotheses. So what kind of statements, hypothesis statements you are want to formulate, whether you are going with believing that accepting H naught null hypothesis, or whether you are going with alternative hypothesis, and how you are able to fix the hypothesis, and this is very important, and how you are able to properly know the significance levels and error rate which is you are able to fix it. And the research another fourth step is design research, and what kind of research design you want to conduct for your research area, and you want to conduct a research design, whether a descriptive research design, exploratory research design, and different kind of research designs is there, and what your problem exactly matches with this type of research design, and you can able to make some kind of framework on the area. And the next fifth step is related to the data collection and collection of the data, and what kind of methods you may take, whether you go with only for primary data or whether you go for secondary data. As you know, the primary data is the very first source of information for the researchers to conduct, and how you will take it as a primary data for a tool, and or you can take it as a secondary data. And moreover, studies is nothing wrong to take for primary data and as well as for secondary data, and most of the cases both methods can be considered by the researchers for doing their research work. and also it is depending upon the nature of work or nature of purpose and objectives of the study, and how you are going to conduct the research and how you are going to collect the data. And after that, analysis of the data is whether you are testing the hypothesis, whether it is true or false, based upon the assumptions you made, whether you consider null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis. Based upon that, it will be decided. And the seventh step, which is interpretation and report, and I mixed it together, interpretation and report. What are the interpretations you got it after the analysis? Maybe you want findings, and what kind of recommendations or suggestions, or what kind of suggestions, recommendations you are giving, and conclusion, what kind of conclusions you are drawing from your research study. And finally, as you know, that bibliography where you can put it all kind of textbooks information, journals information, and reports and committee reports information and websites information, and this all together comes under bibliography. And this is all kind of format, step-by-step format, can be called as a report or research paper for your work. And these are the essential steps which I concluded after reviewing so many papers on social sciences domain research area. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching.